Nicholas Marsh, you are up next. Nicholas Marsh. Now these are exhibition riders. They're way under the 60 pounds, but they're too old to ride for the competition. Nicholas Marsh, let's see what you got going on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Put your hands together. 3 back-to-back. Back-to-back Marshes. Woo. Here we go. Okay. Now bring that music down just a little bit. Now this is where the show starts, okay? Those are kids that were exhibition riders. Our first contestant is Brian, is it Tillif? Tillif, 3 years old. And you're thinking that mother's